Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your personal capital account to access comprehensive financial management tools, follow these step-by-step instructions for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the Personal Capital website or download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address, create a password, and provide basic personal information. Step 3. After completing the initial registration, Personal Capital will send a verification email to your registered email address. Check your inbox. Step 4. Open the verification email from Personal Capital and click on the verification link provided. This will confirm your email address. Step 5. Log in to your Personal Capital account and navigate to the Settings or Account section. Step 6. To fully verify your account and link financial accounts, you'll need to provide additional information such as your phone number. Step 7. Enter your mobile phone number and wait for Personal Capital to send a verification code via SMS. Step 8. Enter the verification code in the designated field to confirm your phone number. Step 9. For enhanced security and account protection, set up two-factor authentication using your verified phone number or an authenticator app. Step 10. Once all verification steps are complete, you can link your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to get a comprehensive view of your finances. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.